A water ballast treatment system on a ship is designed to manage and treat ballast water, which is water taken on board a ship to control its stability and trim during various stages of a voyage. Ballast water is often taken on in one location and discharged at another, which can pose environmental and ecological risks. The purpose of a water ballast treatment system is to minimize the transfer of potentially harmful aquatic organisms and pathogens between different marine environments. Ships take on ballast water in one location to improve stability, and this water may contain a variety of organisms such as bacteria, plankton, viruses, and larvae from the source location. When the ballast water is discharged in a different location, these organisms can be released into new ecosystems, potentially leading to the introduction of invasive species, harmful algal blooms, and the spread of diseases. To address these environmental concerns, the International Maritime Organization introduced the International Convention for the Control and Management of Ships' Ballast Water and Sediments. The convention sets standards for the treatment of ballast water before it is discharged, and many ships are now equipped with ballast water treatment systems to comply with these regulations. These treatment systems use various technologies, such as ultraviolet light, chemical disinfection, and filtration, to remove or kill organisms in the ballast water before it is released back into the sea. The goal is to reduce the environmental impact of ballast water discharge and protect marine ecosystems worldwide.